Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to Saravana Store, which is the largest family-owned business retail chain in India. People in Chennai are very fond of these stores and you will find always a huge rush in it. If you ever thought of going this place during festival time, please I suggest do not dare because it's very usually crowded and full packed. Outside the entrance, you can see selling juice, bakery item, coconut water. We are visiting the Sarvana store which is in Punamalli High Road. We heard the store has reasonable prices with lots of choices. Here is the entrance. Ground floor is a jewelry item like gold and silver ornaments. We have seen some design which are mostly outdated from the current fashion. First floor, they have silk sari, dhotis, churidar, dress material. We recognize some of the items as being same or similar to what we found at outside shops, but in more organized and tidy environment. Second floor, they have boys and girls ready-made, baby dresses, ladies wear. I must say, whatever your requirement is there, like daily necessities, dresses, kitchen item, electronics, furnitures, all are available under one roof. What I found is the prices are very competitive. Here you can find wide range of product like cheapest to the high-end branded things. Apart from this, there are three more branches of Saravana Store in Chennai: T Nagar, Purusawalkam and Chrompet. The first shop was opened in Ranganathan Street, T Nagar in 1969 with a small textile shop. Today, the company reported an annual turnover of more than 10 billion rupees. The checkout process was very interesting. You start at one end where someone enters all the purchase into register and then go to another person who seemingly checks everything and then gives you a receipt, which you hand over to the next person, who seems to check everything once again and then put the items in a bag. I'm not clear why they employ such labor-intensive process. I guess they have their own reason. And here we missed our elevator. The elevator options are a bit confusing, with one side going to the odd number of floors and the other going to the even number of floors. We ended up using stairs and escalators as the elevators are often crowded and the waiting time seems long. At second floor, while going down, I found a very big crystal chandelier light, which is glittering and having shiny illumination. I felt a little overwhelmed by looking at all the crystals. This chandelier is truly a statement piece. You can buy any product from the store without justifying outside at a cheaper price. A must visit for a shopper if you are visiting Chennai. If you like to see more videos from me and become part of my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.